Italian beef sandwiches.
Oh, I didn't even know they had sandwiches. I haven't been there in many years, but when I used to go there, I used to get their baked ziti, which is like a baked spaghetti.
Yes.
That's delicious. I got a lot. Their breadsticks were always so yummy. Oh, look at this. We're right back over by where you live because I forgot. So silly. My sister's gonna say, "What were you thinking?" Almost there. Is there any more of those wrestling events happening?
Going to massage center 2.5 weeks.
Oh, where's that?
In Oshkosh.
Oh, I don't know if I've ever heard of that. In Oshkosh. Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Who's going to take you to that one?
Savannah.
Oh, that's lovely. I'm so impressed to hear that. Alright, you guys are going to stay right here. I'm just going to grab some tables from her.
Okay.
Back in to her driveway.
Okay.
Just feel weird going backwards.